Well, we've entered the Left Hand Collet Canyon. We're headed to Collet Top here in Grand Staircase Escalante. Pretty drive through here. Last night we camped at Batty Caves, a little bit to the east from here, maybe about 12-13 miles. And that was kind of a unique experience. Cave where a man used to live back mmany decades ago, I'm not sure exactly when. It had old car parts there, and the door he had built for his, I guess what was his bedroom, and another area that looked like a workshop garage. The car looked like it was from the 1930s. It's pretty neat. Anyway, we're having a pleasant drive here. It's really pretty out. Nice day to be out in the wilderness. Well, we got some cows in front of us. Seen a lot of that this trip, haven't we? These cows seem to be going down the road, so bet they're going. That's funny.
Good for cattle anglers now.
I do guess so. I do have the GoPro running. I'm sure a few seconds of this will make it into the final video. Yeah, that's my pots and pans you hear rattling back there. But ice down there on the road. It's still 48 degrees out. Well, it's hard to tell with the geothermometer, because unless we get going like 30 miles per hour, the thermometer does not reset and give a correct reading. It just stays stuck on one reading. So when you're out four-wheeling, it will stay at the same temperature for a long time until you get up to that 30 miles per hour. Looks like a little snow on these rocks straight ahead. either. That's something leaching out of the rocks. Load of that balanced rock right there. Still in Left Hand Collet Canyon. A little bit of a rocky patch here in Collet Canyon. Or actually, we've turned off Collet Canyon. This might have a different name. Check my map here, see if I can figure out the name of this canyon. Lower Trail Canyon. Yep, Lower Trail Canyon. Pretty dry. Still in Lower Trail Canyon. Working our way up here to a switchback that'll take us, appears on the map, up out of the canyon. Right side here. Here's the switchback. Oh, a lot nicer road over here. Coming up out of Collet Canyon. Just a little steep section of the trail here. Very near the top now. Oh. Got a nice little road. Up on the mesa.
And that is the end of that road.